Good night, teacher. Today I going talking about the week 11 all PS Mother. Student Christian Baren Hablas. And teacher Evelyn Elizabeth Matos Muñoz. Section 33697. Technological device. The technological device I chose was the TV. The modern television offers higher picture quality, improved resolution, and sharper contrast, as well as more vibrant colors thanks to their advanced technology. They also consume less energy and feature a slimmer, more luxurious design. They also improve the viewing experience, allowing users to continue enjoying their internet more comfortably. In the older TV, which are otherwise unpopular, may have inferior picture quality, a lower resolution, and a thicker design, in addition to being less energy efficient. Although their shape is slightly older and their signal is less efficient. Continuing to use this TV may mean accepting technological limitations such as loss of clarity or higher energy consumption. Thanks, teacher.